Chapter 13, Erosion and Deposition. Lesson number 4, Wave Erosion. Textbook page number 502 to 505. In this lesson, we are going to learn how do waves cause erosion and deposition. Erosion by waves. Waves shape the coast through erosion by breaking down rock and transporting sand and other sediments. One way waves erode the land is by impact. Large waves can hit rocks along the shore with great force. This energy in waves can break apart rocks. Over time, the waves can make small cracks larger. Eventually, the waves cause pieces of rock to break off. Waves also erode by abrasion. A wave approaches shallow water, it picks up sediment, including sand and gravel. This sediment is carried forward by the wave. When the wave hits land, the sediment wears away rock like sandpaper wearing away wood. Waves coming to shore gradually change direction. The change in direction occurs as different parts of a wave begin to drag on the bottom. The waves in figure change direction as they approach the shore. The energy of these waves is concentrated on headlands. A headland is a part of the shore that sticks out into the ocean. It is made of harder rock that resists erosion by the waves. But over time, waves erode the headlands and even out the shoreline. Landforms created by waves. Erosion and deposition create a variety of features along a coast. As you can see in this picture, the erosional features create different type of landforms like wave cut cliff, sea cave, sea arch, headland, sea stack, etc. Think of an axe striking the trunk of a tree. The cut gets bigger and deeper with each strike of the blade. Finally, the tree falls. In a similar way, ocean waves that hit a steep, rocky coast erode the base of the land there. Where the rock is softer, the waves erode the land faster. Over time, the waves may erode a hollow area in the rock called a sea cave. Eventually, waves may erode the base of a cliff so much that the rock above collapses. The result is a wave-cut cliff, as shown in this picture. A sea arch is another feature of wave erosion that forms when waves erode a layer of softer rock that underlines a layer of harder rock. If an arch collapses, a pillar of rock called a sea stack may result, as you can see in this picture. Now we have deposits by waves. Waves shape a coast when they deposit sediment, forming coastal features such as beaches, spits, and barrier beaches. Like shown in this picture, these are depositional features. So let's see what are beaches, spits, and barrier beaches. A beach is an area of wave-washed sediment along a coast. The sediment deposited on beaches is usually sand. Most sand comes from rivers that carry eroded particles of rock to the ocean. Sometimes, some beaches are made of small fragments of coral or seashells piled up by wave action. Waves usually hit the beach at an angle, creating a current that runs parallel to the coastline. As waves repeatedly hit the beach, some of the beach sediments move down the beach with the current in a process called longshore drift. Now we have the barrier beaches, or we call sandbar. See, these sandbars and barrier beaches, incoming waves carrying sand may build up sandbars, long ridges of sand parallel to the shore. A barrier beach is similar to a sandbar. A barrier beach forms when storm waves pile up large amount of sand above sea level, forming a long, narrow island parallel to the coast. And now we have spits. One result of longshore drift is the formation of spit. A spit is a beach that projects like a finger out into the water. Spits form as a result of deposition by longshore drift. Spits occur where a headland or other obstacle interrupts longshore drift, or where the coast turns abruptly. Like you can see in this picture, these different landforms are formed as a result of the deposition as a result of the wave erosion.